Have you ever dreamed of taking an Alaska cruise? Well, we have. This August, Trish and I will be sailing aboard Royal Caribbean's Voyager of the Seas for our first Alaska adventure. Over the last several months, we've been planning every detail, from whale watching in Juneau to dog mushing in Skagway and exploring Seattle before we set sail. All during that planning, we've learned something important. There are a few mistakes that first-time Alaska cruisers make that can cost them money, unnecessary stress, and even keep them from experiencing some of the best parts of Alaska. Today, we're sharing 5 Alaska cruise mistakes you should avoid before you sail. Let's get started.
Mistake number 5, waiting too long to book excursions. One of the biggest mistakes Alaska cruisers make is waiting too long to book excursions.
Unlike Caribbean cruises where you can decide at the last minute, Alaska excursions can sell out months in advance.
Popular tours like whale watching, helicopter rides, glacier landings, and dog mushing have limited availability.
We've already booked our whale watching excursion in Juneau and our dog mushing excursion in Skagway because we didn't want to risk missing out.
Right. So if there's something you absolutely want to do, book it as early as possible.
Mistake number 4, packing for the wrong weather. When people think of Alaska, they think about freezing temperatures.
But surprisingly, that's not always the case.
You might have sunshine in the morning, rain in the afternoon, and cool temperatures all evening.
Layers will be your best friend.
A waterproof jacket is probably the most important thing to have rather than a heavy winter coat.
And don't forget comfortable walking shoes because many ports are easy to explore on foot.
The key is being prepared for changing weather conditions. Staying inside during scenic cruising.
The next mistake surprises a lot of people.
Some cruisers spend most of the scenic cruise inside.
And that's where you can miss some of the most incredible experiences.
Wildlife sightings can happen anytime.
You might see whales, eagles, sea lions, dolphins, or incredible mountain views.
Bring binoculars if you have them.
And don't be afraid to bundle up and spend some time outside.
Those are often the moments that people remember the most.
Mistake number 2, not budgeting for Alaska prices. Let's talk about money.
Alaska can be more expensive than people expect.
These excursions are more expensive than what you'll find in the Caribbean.
Food, souvenirs, and specialty experiences can add up quickly.
So if you're planning a whale watching excursion, dog mushing, helicopter tour, glacier landing, or train rides, make sure you budget accordingly.
We'd rather plan ahead than get surprised once we get there. Mistake number 1 is thinking that Alaska is just another cruise.
This is probably the biggest mistake of all.
Alaska isn't just another cruise destination.
Most Caribbean cruises focus on beaches, pools, and warm weather.
Alaska is about nature, wildlife, scenery, history, and a unique experience.
It's one of those destinations where people often describe it as life-changing.
Everyone we've talked about says pictures don't do it justice.
We haven't experienced an Alaska cruise yet ourselves, but we are incredibly excited to see what makes it so special.
And we're looking forward to sharing it with you, all of it with you.
So, those are the 5 Alaska cruise mistakes we think first-time cruisers should avoid.
Now we'd like to hear from you.
If you've cruised Alaska before, what is the biggest piece of advice you would give someone taking their first Alaska cruise?
Leave a comment below because we're always looking for tips on our upcoming voyage.
And if you're planning an Alaska cruise, let us know which port or excursion you are most excited about.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.
And we'll see you on our
the
next adventure.